Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix repack error when you try to install the repack game. You encounter the isdone.dynamic link library error and an unarc.dynamic link library error. So here, brief description. Thank you answer.microsoft.com provide this article. So this error in Windows 11 or 10 mostly related to the installation of PC games as well as program of large size. So large games or program have compressed the data, which is unpacked in your hard drive during installation. So this is up your PC RAM as well as hard drive. While installation, if your PC RAM or hard disk doesn't have sufficient memory to handle the process, your PC may throw this error. So you can try this method to increase Windows page file or virtual memory. So you can hold Windows key and R key in order to open run. So you can open isdone.dll. Here you can pause the video. So here is the system properties. So you can click advanced, click performance settings. Under performance option you can click advanced again, and this is the virtual memory. You can click change, and here we go. You can untick this box in order manually manage paging file size. Click custom size and you can fill this initial size and maximum size. So here for most games 2.5 gigabyte is enough. So the value which work in most cases is 403,000. So you can fill by 403,000. So you can set the maximum paging file size to tune of 3 gigabyte. Or me, I do have currently located 2.1 gigabyte. So after you set this virtual memory, you can try to restart your system, then reinstall the game. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the text button below. See you in the next video.